Okay, because see, I'm giving you 70s babe, beach babe, okay? I'm giving you 70s beach babe, Barbie, all the things, okay? All the things that are retro but are good. That is what she is giving, okay? Tell me she not. And I'm the founder of Silky, a luxury hair and hair care company, and I'm here today to do a review on this Freetress curtain bang light 013 unit, you guys. Now this wig is super cute. If you haven't already, make sure you watch our video where we're talking about all the trendy hairstyles and wigs that are going to be trending for this new spring season. And I wanted to try this one because this one is on trend. This butterfly cut is really popular. It was really popular on TikTok. A lot of people were cutting their wigs into this butterfly style, curtain bangs, all the things. This wig has all the things. She is super cute and she was easy to throw on. So we're going to go ahead and get into the review, the styling, unboxing, and watch to the end so you can get my pros and cons and what I think about this unit. But before I get into that, could you please do me a favor? Help your girl out with the algorithm. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. This lets the platform know that this is some good content that we are dropping over here, because you know these algorithms, okay? They want to hate on your girl, okay? And I want you to see these units. So help me out, would you please, and do that. And now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this wig review. So I am back from styling Freetress curtain bang wig 013. So let's go ahead and get into it. When I took the wig out of the packaging, she came out, she actually looked pretty decent. Now the wig, even though it looks like it has a lot of hair, the density on this wig is very light. There is not a lot of hair, but the layers really disguise the density of this wig. This wig is really on a lighter density, which I really love about that. Now the hair is more of a yakier texture for sure. It does not have a lot of silkiness to it at all. It's definitely more of a yakier texture. The hair is pretty long, even though it is layered. I'm gonna guess that it's falling about, I would say maybe 24 to 26 inches on me. It's coming right underneath my boobs. Now she does come in a lot of colors. A 1, a 1B, a 2, a 4, a high cocoa, high copper. I am rocking her in the high honey because if you watch me here a lot, I like to try the more blonder type wigs. I like that the coloring. I think it's really pretty how it has these blonde like highlights and colors all throughout it. Very pretty, super duper layered, as you can tell. Now as far as the cap is big head friendly. I do have my tape-ins in my hair, which gives my hair more volume, so all of my hair is fitting underneath here nicely, no problem. It is snug, but not so snug that I would be like, oh no, you're gonna get a headache. Like, It's fitting very well, so my big head girls, thick head girls, you'll be okay with this one. It will fit fine. Now, as far as the cap goes, it was a typical cap. It is all enclosed, but there are no combs on the side like caps usually have. They don't have the 2 combs on the side. It just has the 1 comb in the back with the typical adjustable straps. You can always add combs if you want to, but like I said, even though the cap is big, it does fit nicely. So I think as long as you put a wig grip on, you should be just fine, and really it should not move at all. I mean, this is fitting on my head nicely. Now, I love the style of it. It is styled in all the layers, which are really on trend for spring, and really a lot of retro styles are really trending for spring. So this look is giving me like 70s kind of Farrah Fawcett, and also a little bit of 90s as well, and that is definitely on trend. As far as it being a long synthetic wig, I did not experience a lot of tangling or shedding. As you've seen, the wig is heat friendly, so as you've seen, I just put some heat in the bangs to help flatten them a little bit, because I felt like the bangs were looking a little bit poofy and they were kind of falling any direction and doing their own thing. And then because this is so layered by my face, some of these layers, especially over here, was not really falling the way I wanted to fall, so I just took and put some heat in that, and then I used my heat brush because I didn't want it to get too straight. I wanted to keep that texture, but just put enough heat in here to just flatten it out. And then there is a lot of wispies with this because of all the layers and the texture. It did have a lot of wispies, so putting that mousse in here really helped, and then going in with the wax stick at the top and putting a little heat behind it really also helped to tame all that. So I am loving this one, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into the pros and the cons of this one. For the pros, it is on trend. If you like trying newer styles, trendier styles, or just styles that are different, because this is kind of different, it's kind of retro, then this is definitely the wig for you. I'm liking the style. I like that it is an easy throw on and go. It did not have any lace to cut, to blend. You didn't have to put a lot of heat in, curling. You didn't have to do a lot of styling, just simply taking and running my fingers through it, or taking a brush. You can really style and get it to how you like it. The color blend is beautiful, you guys. As you see on the stock card, there is some really pretty color blends out there. I think Freetress really did a great job with this unit of giving it a retro look, and I don't know if it's translating in the camera, but in person, you guys, this looks beautiful. It really does. And with it being a long synthetic wig, the fact that in having a lot of layers, the fact that it wasn't getting tangled, not a lot of shedding, that is a great thing. As far as the cons, the style could be a con for you. I know some people are not really big on bangs or really trendier styles. I think some people like something a little bit more classic. So if you are that person, maybe this wig would not work for you. I know for some people the length could be a con, but you can always go in and cut it. And really that is it, you guys. I do not have a lot of cons with this one. I really don't. She is a gorgeous wig, and of course check the description box because all the links for it will be below. And when I take this wig off, I'm not going to put it back into the plastic that it came out of. I'm going to put it in my luxurious Silky sack. A Silky sack is a silk line bag that I invented to not only store your wigs, but to add longevity to them. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide, cutting back on the shedding, tangling, and matting that your wig would do if you were to place it just back into the plastic in your drawer or wherever you are placing it. So if you want to learn more about Silky sacks and the fabulous hair that we sell now and products, go ahead and check out the website. The link will be down in the description box as well. And now it is time for our Silky Chick shout out. And the shout out is going to Naturally Corporate. She is a lifestyle channel here on YouTube. She does wig reviews, she does natural hair, just all things lifestyle and getting you together. So thank you so much for watching the video and commenting. And if you would like a shout out, then go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know what you are thinking of the unit. Would you rock this? Is this one a little too trendy for you, or would you rock this one? Let me know, because I am really loving this one. So leave me a comment, let me know. And if you've watched this far and you haven't already, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We come to you every Monday and Friday, and it is free. Why not? As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching over on Facebook, you know I love you over there on the Facebook too. Okay, I love my Facebook Silky Chicks as well. Thank you again for watching. Remember, better care is better wear, and I hope to see you in the next one.